Hi guys, today I will explain how to withdraw Solana from Trust Wallet. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and sign in your account in which you want to withdraw Solana. The next thing is head over to Solana. Like if I scroll down, here you can see my crypto Solana. So just click on it once you find. And here you will see few options. From these, you have to select send. On the first number, you have to enter the address or domain name where you want to withdraw your Solana. Like I will withdraw my Solana to my Binance. So that's why I will close the Trust wallet and we open my Binance. Once your Binance application will be open, simply click on this option add funds. Or maybe you have the option of deposit. Both are same. So click on one of these. And here you have to select this option deposit crypto. On the top search bar, you have to search for your Solana. And here is my Solana. So click on it. You also have to select Solana. Simply copy this code. Once the address code has been copied, let's go back to wallet. And on the domain name, you have to paste that code. After pasting it, here you have to enter the amount. Once you will enter the amount, the next option will be enabled. Then click on the option next and confirm your transaction. So by using this method, you can withdraw Solana from Trust Wallet.